Mr. Lee, how are you? That doesn't matter. You are in big debt to me. Where's my money? I will get it. I don't have it right here. I have it in my money. I mean, my bank. Don't kill me now, please. You don't have the money here. Well, too bad. The deal was tonight. You don't have the money. You die. I will call one of my guards, and he will deal with you. Casio! I am Casio. What do you want, Mr. Boss Shankly? I want you to kill this bastard. You got it. What the fuck is this? He is named Casio. He's an Asian Samoa. He weighs 721 pounds. Undefeated champion. Finish him! Well done, Casio. Hey, get the fuck out of my way! What the hell are you doing, man? You stupid or what? Get the fuck out of my way! Wait, sir! Are you the brother of George Vexer? Yeah. What's the problem? I heard he was down in the cemetery. He's in big trouble or something. I don't even know what it is. I'm just trying to help you. Down in the cemetery? Big trouble? Shit, not again. Thanks, buddy. Sorry for that. Gotta go. He was a good man. A fine man. He always worked to get what he wanted. Let's pray. No! That's my brother! Wake up, buddy! Please wake up! We have to go to the whorehouse. Come on, man! Wake up! What the hell are you doing? Hey, this is cemetery. It's my brother, for God's sake! I'm sorry to hear that. You're sorry? Wait, what the hell is he doing here? He has been killed. What? No! Fuck this shit. Hey man, you didn't answer my call. Where were you? Cemetery. Why? What happened? My brother. He got killed. What? I'm sorry to hear that. Well, I'm not. He was a good brother, and now he's dead. How would you feel if your brother dies? It is not a good feeling. Fuck this shit. I don't have brothers, you know that. Just pretend you have. Okay? I'm pissed about this shit. My mother died 5 years ago. My father died 12 months ago, which makes that a year. And now, my only brother dies. He got killed. Somebody punched him to death. I don't even know who did. But I'm going to find out. I'm going to kill that son of a bitch. Believe me, I will get my revenge. Officer, what can I do to help you? My brother's been killed. Is he George Vexer? I didn't know that. Well, we're working in that case. Well, our deputies are. What can I do to you? I really need to know who killed him. I really need to kill them. You ain't gonna kill nobody. Nobody kills unless me. I am the police officer, and I only will kill when I need to kill. Got that? You ain't gonna kill nobody. Can I at least get the information of the killers? Well, we don't even know who did it, but we have some certain clues who did it. Come here. You see this? Those are all the bad guys we are looking for to get. Yes. Well, most of them are really a pain in the ass. Like some of them, they're rapers, killers, druggers, drug dealers, and many other facts that you don't even want to know. Okay? I think the person who did this was Chang Li. That guy is a fucking mean motherfucker. He's the meanest motherfucker in this town. You don't want to fuck with him. I assume that your brother worked for him. And he didn't pay to him. So Chang Li told him that if he didn't pay, he would get killed. But I think Chang Li didn't do it. I saw your brother's body. He was punched to death. Chang Li would do that. I mean, he's a mean motherfucker, but he ain't got that money muscle to kill him. I think the one who did it was his bodyguard, Casio. That guy weighs almost a ton. You don't want to fuck with him either. Okay? Okay. You can only see what they look like. Sure. Deputy, come on. Show it on the computer. That's Chang Li. That is Casio. What the fuck? I don't even know them. Of course you don't. They worked for your brother, not for you. Listen to me. You will not fuck with them or you will get killed. Don't ever try to kill them, because I will arrest you. You got that? You got it? Yes. I'm the officer of the law. I'm in charge, not you. Have a good day, sir. You too, sir. What the fuck is this shit? Get him. Yes, sir. I'm running out of here. I ain't gonna let you get away, Chang. So, is this how you honor your fucking brother? You're fucking pathetic. Ah, my balls! Like you had one. You listen to me, punk. I killed your brother because he was in debt to me. I should kill you right now. But I'm not sure if I want to kill you. Should I? Well, I think so. Oh shit. My back. Hey, take a look at that girl. She's the most beautiful girl I ever seen in my entire life. She's really beautiful. Yeah. Just like what the fuck am I forgetting the fucking words? Just like the other 200 girls, right? Well, this one is different. I can see she's really beautiful. And I'm gonna tell her that. And I'm going to bang her. And you are going to stay. Fuck it! You're going to stay here to watch me bang her. You don't even have a dick. Fuck you, cunt. Are you calling me cunt? Whatever, David. Hey, beautiful. Hi. So, what's your name? Allison? Allison what? Stevens? My name is John Baxter. You are really beautiful. I mean, you're the most beautiful girl I ever seen in my entire life. Oh, thank you. This is nothing. Do you want to see my cock? Sure. Let's go to the room. Take this.
John Baxter. Your cock is wonderful. Oh, Baxter. You're the man.
I know. Change position. Oh, yeah. Now you suck my cock. Now watch you to suck my cock. It will be great. Awesome. Get down! No! Allison! Please! No, I have to get another girl! No! No, Allison! Please, don't die on me now! Allison, wake up! What the hell is this? Why are you laughing? This is not funny! Allison, god damn it! You're going to die, Cheng Li! No! There's still one more time. Oh my god, this is the neck. This is sperm. Hey man, where have you been? John? John, talk to me. What happened? I'm going to kill that son of a bitch. Cheng Li? Yeah, Cheng Li, who would it be? Huh? My fucking dog? You don't have dogs. Exactly. He killed my brother, and now he killed my girl. What girl? That girl, Allison. Dude, that was a travesty. Fuck you, it wasn't. Oh yeah? Did you bang her? Yes, I did. She sucked my cock. Oh, gross! She's a fucking man, dude. Fuck you, man. You just don't get it. You just don't know how to get girls, alright? She died. But I had to leave her. But I still fucked her when she was dead. You fucked a dead body. She was my girl. She was a fucking travesti. Fuck you. I'm telling you the truth, man. Get real. She was a travesti. Oh yeah? And what's her real name? I don't know. But I can see from the look on that travesti that she was a he before. Fuck you. Fuck you. I mean, what's wrong with you? Can't you understand the true facts? That you fucked a travesti makes you gay. You are gay. Fuck off. Hey, where you going? I'm no longer your friend. I don't have gay friends. Fuck you, gay guy. Well, fuck off. I don't even care. Like I would care. I mean, just a fucking piñata, coño. Fuck you, pendejo. It's pendejo, not pendejo, okay? I don't know Mexican, asshole. Get the fuck out of here. Look, I'm going to kill Chang Li. You're talking to me? Yes, I'm talking to you. Man, we don't know each other. What the fuck is wrong with you? We're not friends. We don't speak. Got it? Hey man, what the fuck is wrong? Oh. Told you, we're not friends. You think I'm a travesti? Fuck you. I don't date travestis, asshole. That's what you get for trying to be my friend and then avoid me, bitch. I'm ready to kill Chen Li. I know you're dead. I just wanted to say that so I can look cool, you know. Adios, pendejo. Goodbye, buddy. Shit! You motherfucker piece of shit! That's what you get for trying to kill me, bitch! Who the fuck are you? I am white nigger. What? I was sent to kill you. Well, you ain't going to succeed. Oh shit! He's coming. Stop him. Just die already! Got you, son of a bitch. I'm taking you to Chang Li.
That is nothing. Harder, Chang Li. Your dick is so small. Oh my God! I almost feel nothing. I'm not getting penetrated. What the hell is that? Oh my God! You're so bad. You fucking whore! You fucking whore! You're so beautiful, though. Where you going? I don't want to get penetrated by you because you're so bad. Look at your penis. How many inches? 0.1? What? That is nothing! What the? Oh my God. And now, Jackie, you want to fuck me? Oh yeah! Were you missing? Because I didn't get penetrated. Oh my fucking God! What the fuck? Oh, why did I burn this way? Oh my God! I'm still not getting penetrated. Oh my God! Do the favor. But I'm gay and I suck cocks. Oh my God. Okay, get back to your post. I don't know about you whores. I'm gonna sell you because I can't fuck you because I have a small penis. A small penis. Don't worry, Chank. You're still good looking. Shut the fuck up! I paid you to say that. I know the truth.
Hey, Kenko. What up, bitch? When will we arrive? It doesn't matter. You're my slave.
I'm your what?
Slave.
Okay.
Can I suck your cock? Of course not. Just because I'm Asian doesn't mean I'm gay. Look, there's Chank. You're so done.
still suck your cock?
No! Tank?
Yes. I haven't. Finally. Well done, Genko. What about Casio? She got murdered. She? He got murdered. He died? Yeah, he died. John Baxter, this son of a bitch, killed him. No. Yes. No! Yes. No! Not Casio! I'm gonna get your payment. Now, piss off. Genko, come back! I need your help! Bodyguards! Hey, wait. Are you gay? Yeah! And what else? I love to suck cocks! I'll let you suck my cock if you stop. Oh, yeah! Oh, two whores. Oh, you're beautiful. Oh, Chang, it's getting away. Oh, but I'm taking you. Oh. This is your end, Chang, or whatever your name is. This is a revenge for my brother. Oh, you're still here? Yes! Oh, your dick is so bigger than
so good. Yeah. Ah! Yeah, let's fuck again. Ah! Yeah. What we doing? We're flying.
I look at you all, see the lover that's sleeping, while my guitar gently weeps. I look at the floor and I see it needs sweeping. Still my guitar gently weeps. I don't know why nobody told you how to unfold your love.